Good day, everyone. We are the Group 4 and we will be discussing circulatory system in farm animals. First, let's talk about its definition. The circulatory system is a body system made up of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. Its main functions is to continuously circulate blood throughout the body. This system delivers oxygen and nutrients to body cells, which are necessary for energy and growth. At the same time, it removes waste products, helping the body function properly. Without a healthy circulatory system, farm animals will not be able to grow, move, or fight diseases effectively. Next is the importance of the circulatory system. The circulatory system plays a very important role in the body. First, it supplies oxygen to our body tissues, which is essential for survival. Second, it transports nutrients from digested feed to the cells, providing energy and supporting growth. Third, it removes carbon dioxide and other metabolic waste, keeping the body clean and balanced. Lastly, it helps regulate body temperature and maintain internal balance, especially in changing environmental conditions. Now let's move on to the role of the circulatory system in animal health. The circulatory system supports the immune system by transporting white blood cells throughout the body. This helps animals fight infections and diseases. It also aids in healing wounds and repairing damaged tissues by delivering nutrients and oxygen to affected areas. Proper circulation ensures healthy organs and promotes the overall well-being of farm animals. The circulatory system also plays an important role in farm productivity. Efficient circulation improves the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to the tissues. This results in faster growth and better feed conversion. Healthy circulation also leads to better meat quality, higher milk yield, increased egg production, and improved reproduction. Because of this good circulatory health contributes to higher farm profitability.
This slide shows the three main parts of the circulatory system: the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels. Together, these parts circulate blood throughout the body to deliver oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells. In both livestock like cattle and poultry like chickens, all three parts work together to maintain proper circulation. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body, and it is also located in the chest cavity. In cattle, the heart supports the large body size, milk production, and muscles. In chickens, the heart beats faster to support their high metabolic rate. Continuous pumping ensures oxygen-rich blood reaches all the tissues. Blood is a fluid tissue that flows through the blood vessels. It carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and immune cells, and also it removes waste products. Blood is especially important during growth or production, such as milk production in cattle and egg production in chickens. Blood vessels are tubes found throughout the body. Arteries carry the blood out from the heart, and the veins return the blood to the heart, and the capillaries allow the exchange of nutrients, oxygens, and waste. This network ensures that all the body tissue receives what they need to work properly.
Carbon dioxide, a waste gas produced in the cells of farm animals after energy production. It is transported by the blood to the lungs and released during breathing. Oxygen, a gas inhaled by farm animals that is carried by blood to their body cells to produce energy for growth, movement, and production. Example, milk, meat, and eggs. Circulation process: the continuous movement of blood in farm animals, pumped by the heart that supplies oxygen nutrient to tissues, and removes carbon dioxide and other waste to keep the body functioning properly. The heart starts circulation by pumping oxygen-poor blood to the lungs, where blood releases carbon dioxide and receives oxygen. The heart then sends oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body to deliver oxygen and nutrients to organs and muscles. After this, the blood returns to the heart to repeat the cycle. This continuous process keeps farm animals healthy and support growth, milk, meat, and egg production. Have you ever wondered how cows produce a lot of milk every day despite of their huge body size? The answer lies in their circulatory system. Cattle have a strong and highly efficient circulatory system. Their heart pumps large volumes of blood through a wide network of blood vessels to support their massive body structure. This circulation is very important in milk production. In fact, it takes a significant amount of blood flow to produce just 1 liter of milk. It also helps digestion, reproduction, and temperature regulation. Now let's move on to pigs. Why pigs known for fast growth and good meat production? One major factor is their efficient circulatory system. Pigs have four-chambered hearts like other mammals. This structure allows proper separation from oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood, making circulation more efficient. Because of this, oxygen and nutrients from feed are rapidly delivered to muscles and organs. So efficient circulation in pigs means better growth, better feed efficiency, and higher productivity. And last, for chickens. Have you noticed how active chickens are and how fast they grow? This is because they have a very rapid circulatory system. Chickens have a high metabolic rate, meaning their body uses energy quickly. The relatively large heart ensures quick delivery of oxygen from lungs to tissues and fast removal of carbon dioxide. This is also important in egg production.
Farm animals depend on the lymphatic system to keep their bodies clean and protected. It carries a clear fluid called lymph that helps remove waste and support the body in fighting disease. This system also connects with the blood circulation by sending the fluid back into the bloodstream. In conclusion, the circulatory system is essential because it carries oxygen and nutrients, remove waste, and support growth and immunity. Keeping it healthy helps improve meat, milk, and egg production. To keep animals healthy, we must provide proper nutrition and clean water, maintain clean housing, allow regular exercise, and prevent diseases through vaccination and health checks. Now, let's talk about the effects of poor circulation in farm animals. Poor circulation can cause weakness and slow growth in farm animals. It also leads to poor feed use and lower productivity. Animals may get sick more easily and in severe case it can cause organ damage or death.
The lymphatic system is essential for the health and productivity of livestock such as cattle, pigs, goats, sheep, and other poultry animals. It helps animals survive diseases, maintain body functions, and support growth and reproduction. A key function is maintaining fluid balance. Blood delivers nutrients and oxygen to tissues and some fluid leaks out. The lymphatic system collects this fluid and returns it to the bloodstream, preventing swelling. It also defends animals against bacteria, viruses, and parasites. White blood cells in the lymph detect and destroy harmful microorganisms, protecting livestock from the common diseases that can affect growth, milk production, and reproduction. The system filters harmful substances as lymph passes through the lymph nodes, which trap bacteria, toxins, and damage cells to stop infections from spreading. It then absorbs fats from the digestive tract, transporting them through lymph vessels to the bloodstream. These fats provide energy, support weight gain, milk production, and overall body condition. Now that we understand the functions of the lymphatic system in livestock, let us discuss its main part and how they help these functions. The first part is lymph. Lymph is a clear fluid that contains white blood cells and nutrients. It helps transport nutrients to tissues, removes waste, and carries immune cells throughout the body. Without lymph, the body could not maintain fluid balance or defend against diseases properly. The next part is lymph vessels. Lymph vessels are tube-like structures that transport lymph throughout the body. They collect excess fluid from tissues and move it towards the bloodstream, serving as essential pathways for the lymphatic system to function. Another important part is the lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped structures located in areas such as the neck, chest, abdomen, and legs. They filter lymph, trap harmful organisms, and contain immune cells that attack microorganisms. Veterinarians often check lymph nodes to detect infections, inflammations, or disease outbreak. Aside from lymph vessels, and lymph nodes, other organs help strengthen the immune system. The first organ is the spleen. The spleen filters blood, removes old or damaged red blood cells, and produces immune cells to fight infections, helping maintain overall blood health. The next organ is the thymus. The thymus develops T cells, which help livestock recognize and destroy infected or abnormal cells. It is especially important in young animals to build strong immunity during early growth. Another important organ is the tonsils. Tonsils trap germs entering through the nose, helping prevent infections in the respiratory and digestive system. Now that we understand the functions and parts of the lymphatic system, let us explain how it works step by step in livestock animals. Blood flows through the capillaries, delivering nutrients and oxygen to tissues. Some fluid leaks into the tissues, nourishing cells and removing waste. Excess fluid becomes a lymph. Lymph vessels collect this fluid and transport it toward lymph nodes and eventually back to the bloodstream. Lymph passes through the lymph nodes where harmful microorganisms, toxins, and damaged cells are filtered out, preventing infections from spreading. Finally, the cleaned lymph returns to the bloodstream. This continuous process maintains fluid balance, supports immunity, and keeps livestock healthy, productive, and resistant to diseases.
For this part, I will explain the relationship between the cardiovascular system, the lymphatic system, and the circulatory system. The cardiovascular system is made up of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. Its main function is to circulate blood throughout the body to supply oxygen and nutrients to tissues and to remove waste products. During circulation, not all fluid stays inside the blood vessels. Some of this fluid leaks out into the surrounding tissues. This is where the lymphatic system becomes important. The lymphatic system collects this excess fluid from the tissues and returns it back to the bloodstream. Aside from maintaining fluid balance, it also plays a key role in the body's defense against diseases by helping the immune system. Together, the cardiovascular and lymphatic system work as a part of the circulatory system. They are interconnected and functions together to maintain proper fluid balance, ensure effective circulation, and support the body's overall health. To conclude, the cardiovascular, lymphatic, and circulatory systems work together to maintain proper circulation, support immunity, and keep farm animals healthy. That's all, and thank you for your time and attention.